Hi crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to do some clean and simple card batching. I have 3 new to me embossing folders. I have Dotty Circles, Buffalo Plaid, and this third one is Basic Plaid. These are all 3D embossing folders from Altenew. You guys know I'm obsessed with these, and I recently added these to my crafty stash, and today I'm going to take them on their maiden voyage. So in a moment here I'm going to show you a photo of the finished card, but this concept could not be more simple. These cards would work great for batching, really for anyone. They'd make super quick and simple masculine cards. You could kind of just customize the color of the die cuts, but really these came together in a snap. I just wanted to showcase the awesome impressions that you get with these 3D embossing folders. So I have 3 pieces of cardstock. These are all US A2 size, so 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2, and I did spritz them all with a little bit of water before I ran them through my Spellbinders Platinum 6. Now this helps the paper really kind of grip onto the design and helps the fibers and the paper really mold to it and add that drama to your piece, which you want because this is an otherwise pretty simple design. So here's the gorgeous Basic Plaid. I love this one. The little lines and texture in this is awesome. You know, the debossed side is really just as cool as the embossed side, so you could really get some versatility on that one. Now this Dotty Circles, I wasn't sure, to be honest, if I liked it. I kind of had it in my cart multiple times, and I'm glad I ended up getting it because it is fun and a little bit different than a lot of other ones I have in my stash. Now this Buffalo Plaid, I want to see if I can put some red cardstock through that and then maybe kind of swipe some black ink on the inside of the embossing folder and see if I can make it look like a true Buffalo Plaid. Now this is my sentiment binder. Today I'm going to focus on some of these bigger ones that I have kind of sectioned off. They are glittery, and it's not the greatest glittery cardstock. It is kind of shedding, so that's why I did have them in their own little special little plastic sheaths. But I did want to use these up, and I thought today's cards would be perfect for that. So I have 2 with this reddish orangish glitter, the Hooray and then the Happy Birthday. Both of these are Lawn Fawn, and I will link everything in the video description box below. Now this is my beloved card bling. This is kind of a new addition to the shop at A Colorful Life Designs. That's the stencil company that I'm on the design team for, and she's added all this amazing bling to the shop. And you can use my coupon AmyFan10 at checkout. So if you do check out the shop, make sure you use my coupon for anything in the shop basically, and get a discount on your complete order. So I'm basically shopping through these to figure out which colors match best. That Inferno blend really matched with the reds and orange, but the blue, I was having a little bit of a hard time finding a perfect color match. So I did end up going with kind of a neutral. I have this really pretty hologram silver and Inferno blend are the 2 that I ended up using for these cards. So I'm just going to put them down in a smattering on the front of each card with some liquid glue. I do have my jewel picker tool, and I'm going to put 5 on the front of each design. So 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Now this Inferno blend is kind of a mix of reds and orange and gold, so I felt like it matched perfectly with the glitter on this particular cardstock. So that's going to finish the design. Here's all 3 cards. You can see this amazing texture from the embossing. This is really simple. If you do card donations, this might be a good easy design that you could batch a bunch of, or maybe even make a gift set with different sentiments, but really easy for masculine cards too. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.